In this video, we're going to look at a problem which requires both inverse and direct proportion. So let's have a look. It usually takes 36 days for 16 workers to build a house. How many workers are needed to build 3 of the same house in 24 days, assuming that they work at the same rate? Alright, so we've got 3 quantities here. We've got days, workers, and house. So we'll write those down. Days, workers, and house. Just going to move this one a little bit over because I'm going to write some things in here. Right, in the beginning we've got 36 days, we've got 16 workers, and we're going to build just one house. We want to know how many workers we need for 24 days. So if we first of all keep the days, make the days 24 and just work out what it's going to take for one house, okay? How do we go from 36 to 24? Well, we would have to multiply by 24 over 36. Because 24 over 36 will give me 24. Now that cancels down to 2 out of 3, which means what happens to the workers? So the number of days is going down, but what that will mean I will need more workers. So this is the inverse proportion. And therefore I will need to multiply this side by 3 over 2, the inverse of this. This is inverse proportion. And 3 over 2 times 16 gives me 24. Now what I do is I keep the number of days at 24, but increase the number of houses to 3. How do I go from 1 to 3? Well, I multiply by 3. And if the number of houses goes up, then the number of workers will go up. This is direct proportion, so I'll multiply by the same number by 3, direct proportion. So that will give me 72 workers. Therefore, I will need, the number of workers needed will be 72. So this has been a video to show you how to do direct and inverse proportion in the same problem. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.